Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolene and today I have a new video for you guys. Today I'll be introducing a new series to my channel, and this series is called Trying Amazon #1 Product, and I'll be trying out everything that is #1 best-selling on Amazon. So I already done a video like this before. I tried out the #1 best-selling makeup brushes on Amazon, and be sure to check that out. I'll link it up here or in the description bar. And that video is doing so well, so I decided why not start a series on my channel where I'm gonna add more videos of me trying out things that are #1 seller on Amazon. So right now I have a few makeup items that I'm gonna be trying out and be adding to that series. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you guys will be able to see what videos I upload on that series. Okay guys, for today's video, I am going to be reviewing this primer right here. This is the e.l.f. face primer. This is the hydrating face primer, and this is the #1 best-selling primer on Amazon, and I'm super excited to try this out. When I first started off wearing makeup, my first makeup primer that I used was e.l.f. I didn't know what makeup primer did, but I knew I needed to put makeup primer on before I apply foundation, so I did that. And that's before I knew what my skin type was and what primer works best for me and so forth. So like I said, this is the #1 best-selling primer on Amazon. Right now, this primer has 4 stars. It has 1,729 reviews on this primer. And I paid $5.69 for this primer. So I'm gonna go ahead over to elf.com and read a few details on this primer. So on elf.com, this primer retails for $6. It has 3.6 stars and it has 273 reviews on this primer. Like I said, this is their hydrating primer. So a few details on this primer. The primer transforms your skin into a flawless, smooth canvas, ideal for long-lasting makeup application. The formula is infused with grape, vitamin A, E, and C to help boost complexion and hydrate your skin. This primer is also cruelty-free and vegan, 100% vegan. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this primer out. So before we even try the primer or anything, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of my skin. So I have oily combination skin. Right now my skin is freaking out. It doesn't know what to do. I live in the Midwest, so at the beginning of the week it was freezing cold, like 30 degrees. And then now it's like 70 degrees. So my skin is like, what is going on? So my skin is freaking out. So I'm going to go ahead and try this primer. So this side of my face, I'm going to apply the primer. And this side of my face, I'm not going to apply the primer so I could test and see how this primer works. So this primer is about 0.47 fluid ounce of product that's in this primer, so that's not bad for $6. Well, I paid $5.69. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump out about 1 pump. That's all I need because I'm gonna do 1 on my face. So this is the product here on the back of my hand. As you guys can see, it's kind of a clear consistency and it's not that minty green color we see. It smells like all the e.l.f. primer out there. So I don't know if you guys smell e.l.f. primer, but it smells like e.l.f. product, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this primer to this side of my face. I did not bring a mirror, so I don't know how I'm going to do this. So let's go ahead and apply this primer. Okay guys, so I already applied the primer. It's on this side of my face. You guys can see the difference between this side and this side. This side is more dewy, glowy, like a glow from within. It looks very youthful, but this side just looks dull and yeah. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference between this primer and how it looks on my skin. On my brow itches, sorry. So this primer is, when you touch and feel it, feels very slippery, very kind of like greasy, oily, but not too heavy. I cannot feel it at all. It kind of feel like it has a silicone base to it. So yeah. Also, this primer, when it comes to filling in pores and blurring and stuff like that, it does not do that at all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation. This is the foundation that I'm going to apply. This is the Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup Foundation. I have it in the shade 29 Sienna. I absolutely love this foundation. Yeah. guys, so I already applied my foundation, and you guys could definitely see a difference between the way my foundation looks. Here it looks nice, glowy, and dewy, and here it just looks like foundation. It looks dull. But when it came to applying the foundation, it was kind of a little tacky on this side, and then this side of my foundation just went glide on this side, and this side it was kind of a little tacky. It was like more effort to like move the foundation around. But when you look at my overall finish of the foundation, this side looks way better. Like I said, my pores are not blurred or anything. Like I definitely see my pores, but it just looks so much better on this side than my foundation not set. Like on this side where my face is not set, my foundation is trying to cling on to all my dry patches, and over here it hydrated those dry patches, so my foundation are not trying to cling on to this side. What am I doing? I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set my face with my Maybelline powder, and then I'm gonna wear this foundation for a few hours, and I'll let you guys know what my final thought on this foundation is. Okay guys, so I am back. When I left, I went ahead and I set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's in the shade 40 Dark. And I also went ahead and used this Urban Decay setting spray and set my face. So I'm keeping my makeup to a minimum because I'm judging the primer. And as you guys can see, this is what my face is looking after 2 hours. So as you guys can see, it looks a little bit oilier on this side. This is the side I apply the primer on. So I do think that this primer was hydrating. Like it says, it is a hydrating primer. I felt like it did hydrate my skin, and like any dry spot that I had was hydrated, and the foundation did not really cling on to it. So since this foundation also transform your skin into a flawless smooth canvas. When I think about flawless, I feel like it hides your pores, blur it, and then your skin is flawless. That's what I think when it says flawless. But I do think that it did smoothen out my skin. It was definitely hydrated and smooth, and I was able to apply the foundation. Also it says ideal for long lasting makeup application. I don't know about that. Definitely my skin is already oily, but my foundation does look good still, I guess. I guess if I touch it up, it will still look good. So yeah, that is it for this primer. Would I recommend it for oily skin? Definitely not. But if you have dry skin, definitely I would recommend this primer if you are on a budget. It is $6, like I said, and Amazon it is $5.69. You save 30 cents. And yeah, I can understand why people love this primer, why it is a best-selling primer. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up button, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.